ACET stock analysis, super interesting. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering whether this is a buy or not for me, so watch till right about the end. Until the end, right? I'm the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. And then just observing ACET, man. I'm not trying to be this poor thing, but it is a bearish market, sure thing, right? I would much rather stick to something that I've tested for 40,000 times rather than trying to reinvent the wheel. And in this particular instance, it's going to be the same. This is not forever. This is for now. And this means that only if I see the shift as such, I'm going to look to take it down. And if it doesn't quite happen, I'm not going to quite sell. Simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails because it is free. And I'm sure that if I check, yeah, I have some receipts with ACET here in the Discord as well. So that's cool. That's sick.